Are we rolling? Hey! No, wait. Okay, sorry if it's crooked. I could give less of a fuck, believe me. As you can see, I'm very like rushed because I don't want my family here when I'm filming. And I'm also in school now. How fucking exciting, right? By the way, did I say hello? Because if not, that was rude. Hello, how are you? Are you already in school? I'm pretty sure everyone's in school by this time, except the people that don't go to school. Do you know how you can tell I'm already in school? My nails are a fucking mess. This one's broken. The sorry to be giving you the finger. This one broke a while ago. I mean, like, that's why it's cheap as heck. I'm commemorating this. This exciting time to be alive. Back to school, you know. I've mentioned that I doodle a lot in the corners of the pages on my notebooks. And then I go to my classroom and started like ranting about it on my like in the back of some notebook. Like my classmates are such dumbasses. So I'm going to be showing you that from my notebooks, but from freshman year. And I'm now a junior. Like, what, dude? Dude! Okay. It's a pretty hefty stack. Wow, just wow. This is like my literature language notebook. Let me see if I can find some fun doodles. Uh, that test was not bad, I guess. How about this one? How about this one? That one's a little not cool. 10 questions my teacher wrote on the board that you had to answer in a like autobiography way. Most people only did like 1 page, tops 2 pages. Yeah. Half, 1, 2, half. I did 3 pages. And they're like big pages, like, and they're full to the brim. It just says like, what things do I don't like? And I was like, I'm gonna make half a page of this, literally. I don't like fish, hot boiling water, but with no tea or coffee in it. Cockroaches and birds. Teenage romance, perfect idea. Sunsets. And Saturday mornings. Well, I didn't find anything. Let's go to the very back of it. I have very weird ways to entertain myself. One of them is like drawing imaginary rooms that I'm never going to meet or like decorate or anything. I just make rooms and houses for fictional people, and like I do the furniture arrangement and all that good stuff. Oh fuck. I got a 3 on this quiz. Okay. That was literature notebook. Math notebook. I don't know if we're gonna find this much of on this one, because I always try to be good at math and I never end up being good at math. This is the very back of it. It's full. It says, I'm young and in love, because Love by Lana Del Rey had just been released. Liney, because, like, why not? Baby, come back, I know my way around your heart. And then, here in green says, I am a baby. I'm not sure what I meant by saying that, but, like, okay, yeah, you're a baby if you want. This is my history notebook. I fucking love how this turned out. History, history, history. Oh my god, in this notebook was a paragraph of why I don't understand why people have sex at such an early age. Like, I can imagine, but why? um, um, um. Oh god! Okay. The lyrics slash doodles of the 1975's Milk. Straight lines that wind you. She does a little thing with her eyes, says we're opposite. She says to me it's incidental. It says be proud but don't be wild. I don't think that's the lyrics of the song, honey. Be young, be don't be proud. And then it says like an American. Like an American. Oh my god, here it says, my best friend just told me they're thinking about opening a YouTube channel. It's kind of ridiculous if you think about it. All they do in their everyday life is get drunk, eat, and sleep. No, they don't even think. They don't even have the balls to. They told me they are planning on naming it 9 degrees. No words. Genius. Because they are 9. Wow. First off, a YouTube channel that has more than 5 members on it is way too much. I can handle until 7 if the 7 of them don't appear on every single video. And the shade, like, I'm lucky I'm just one, because like freshman me would be mad. Oh god, this was my music notebook. It has like songs in flute. It says, hey Jude, all I want for Christmas. All you need is love. We are the champions. My music teacher was not. Let me tell you, he was not. Sorry for the slight time frame. Everything different. And then there's the very, very, very last page. It's colorful as shit. It says Christmas in Christmas colors. It says Wes Anderson because, like, I was trying to be cool. Like, I do like him. I do like his movies. But I was like, oh yeah, my favorite director is Wes Anderson. I don't know. I was in 7th grade, dude. What else have we got? This is my another English notebook. I don't like this one as much, but this class was called Integrated Language, and I literally drew a grader in the cover page. So, because integrated language. This teacher, he was the most bizarre person ever. He talked like this, okay? Hey guys, what's up? What do you want to do today? Hey, don't push me. It was like, hi kids. Oh my god, that sounded exactly like him. What the fuck? Landscape. Okay, we had to do an activity of like describing a place in your city that is like important to you, but it has like to be like a natural area. And then it says, what can you do to protect it? Keep it clean and save it. And it says 100 training words plus a drawing. My favorite place in the city maybe is like some forest up there in the outskirts of my city. Because as a child, I always wanted to live in the forest, like own a tree house and hunt my own food. I don't know. It was weird stuff. As I grew older, I realized that was pretty much impossible and grew attached to other stuff. Plus, it's like magical because it's not so far away as you would think from the city. What I can do to protect it is just don't start any fires, big fires. Keep it, keep it clean. Maybe pick up after some douchebags that left with their fucking trash. You just have to be a nice person towards it. Don't be a jerk. And then the drawing, they're like stick figures. It's a drawing of a person on a hill throwing people away from a cliff. I, like it's literally sad. Like look at that shit. And I wrote douchebags, fucking trash, jerk. It makes no sense. And there's a lot of stuff like that in this. Like, oh my god, renewable energy. Which steps are the most important in your opinion? I think it is really important that the community and the government are trying to make a better place out of this hellhole. And it says that. And again, it's signed! Like, my teacher was just like, just signing everyone's work, even if it's only was like course words. Oh yes, I got a 10. This is my chemistry notebook from freshman year. This year, like, shout out to me because everything is so fucking pretty. I'm going to go straight forward to the part that I know it gets weird. Here it says Monday 12 December 2016. And then it says Tuesday 10 January 2017. Over the Christmas holiday of that year, I became obsessed with Scam, Sing Street, and a badly reading of High School Musical. Odd combination, but like explosive combination, I would say. Right here it says like periodic table shoot, and right below it says, what's up y'all, I'm gonna need 2 chicken nuggets and a gummy bear. And do your eyes even see, Chorky? Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I need you, not that I want you not to say, but if you only knew. Scam. Okay, I got some phone chargers for the Irish students. Brrr, blah. Another page. It says brrr, blah. Be bold, be Wilhelm. And do your eyes even see Turkey? And below the even, it says Isaac, like in Evan and Isaac. It says, come on now, follow my lead, because Shape of You was released and I was into it. Like, I was just like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. And we have nothing left. Only this big old stack of notebooks. And I didn't show you my books. I only showed you one book. Chemistry gone. There were 2. Or was it chemistry? Where is it? Got him. I had already filmed it in these exact same clothes, but I just looked even more like trash. Let me know if you like this video by giving it a like. If you liked me in this video, subscribe to my channel because I struggle so much. Please, just subscribe to me. Thank God my channel name is not 9 degrees, you know. Yeah. Hey,